How to sign up for eBay affiliate program. In this video, I'll show you guys how to easily do that. So if you want to sign up for an affiliate program on eBay, first you're going to have to go to ebay.com, hit enter. Once landed on the homepage, just make sure to log into your account, or you don't even need to log in right now. Just scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you'll see the option called sell, and then you have about eBay. Just go ahead and find the affiliate program right here. Now, if you're not able to see the eBay affiliate here, you can just open a new tab and then search for eBay affiliate, hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here, partnersnetwork.ebay.com. Now click on the sign up button. If you're new, you can just click on sign up, or if you already have an account, you can continue with your eBay's website. Just click on sign in with eBay and then quickly log into your account. I'm going to continue with Google. And now I can just select my account to log into eBay. I'm going to skip this for now. And I think I've successfully logged into my account. Just wait for a bit. All right, so once you are logged in, here are some of the details you're going to have to fill out, like your account's display name, what you want to display on your account. Then enter your company's website. Then choose your country, enter your street address, city, and zip. Enter phone number, choose the currency, then select your time zone. And here, this is the important part. Under promotional information, you just have to select, most of you are going to be social influencer or content/review. You could just choose any one of them, and then you can choose your property type. So if you are selecting website, make sure to enter your domain name. If you're selecting mobile networks, select the apps, or if you are just going to promote it on social media, select any one of these. Then under agreements here, you're going to see a list of all of the payments and payouts per item, and there the percentage of the order sale amount. So depending on the category or the item you sell, it's going to be the agreements with eBay. Now you can check the payout adjustments as well. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then simply click on the sign up button once you fill out all of the details. And if they think you're eligible to be an affiliate, then they will verify your account and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.